Okay, now we're going to walk through some examples. You can see on the board, we have a lot of questions here. Yeah, I deliberately put this question here to enable us get the understand this purpose of all this. If you look at here, A intercept B, A union B, B union C, C prime, C complement, A complement, A intercept B or complement, A union B or complement, A intercept B intercept C or complement, and D union E or complement, D union E, then C intercept E or complement, then C intercept E, then A prime or A complement intercept B prime. So we're going to walk through this example. So follow me. Then after this, I'm going to list the other type of set. Then we're going to take example from the textbook, walk through all the example and the exercises there. But first of all, let's master these 4 types of sets. So let's go solution. Question 1, they say find A intercept B. Now, this is set A, this is set B. Intercept, like now, intercept, when you hear the word intercept, what comes to your mind? I've explained before, say intercept means common element. Intercept means what? Common element. Now look at these two sets. Intercept, what are the common elements between these two here? If you look at it, you have 2 here, we have 2 here, which is A intercept B. We have 2. Look at it very well. We have 2 notes here. We have 4. We have 4 here. We have 4. We have 5 here. No 5 here. We have 6 here. No 6 here. I think we are done with the answer. So the common element between these two, just 2 and 4. You see 7, 8, 9. There's no 7, 8, 9. 5, 6. There's no 5, 6 here. So that's our answer. So the next one say A union B. A union B. A union B, union of a set. Remember, union of a set means of combining the two subsets together without no repetition. Combining them together without no repetition. Now, this is how it goes. You start with 1 as the smallest, we go to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are my answer because we have 3 here. So remember, we are combining the two sets together without no repetition. Then coming here, we have B union C. B union C. Hope you can see the board very well. B union C. Now, talk about B union C. Look at it. Look at B. Look at C. Union, combining them together without no repetition. So we are going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there 5? No. Now we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are my answer for B union C. Remember, these are the two we're working with for B union C. Now we now move over to what? C complement or C prime. Either I say C complement or C prime. Now, what comes to my what is complement? Remember, I say complement is the element in the universal set that is not in the subset. And remember, elements, the symbol for element is this. That is the symbol for element. So whenever I see it, you're able to remember from your textbook is there. They use this word, element a lot. They use that symbol for element a lot. So take note of it. Now, C complement, the element in the universal set that is not in the subset. Now, go to C. Look at C. What are the elements here? The element here that is not here. That is what I want to list out. What is here that is not here? Now, we have 1 there. We now have 2. We have 2 in the universal set. There's no 2. We have 3 there. We have 4. Not write it 4. We have 5. We have 6. We have 7. We have 8. We have 9. We're not going to write 10. We're not going to write 11. We're not going to write 12. We have 13 to 20. Now, the element in the universal set that is not in the subset, that is called complement of a set. Take note of that. Now, this is it, complement of a set. Complement of the element in the universal set that is not in this particular set. The element that is the numbers that are here that is not appearing here. We call it complement of a set. Then now, I believe we are done with that. Then we'll now move on to a complement. I believe this is very simple also. A complement. Now, when we talk about a complement, we say what? A complement means what? Element in the universal set that is not in set A. That is not in the set A. That the first we just did now. Now, what are the elements? And take note, I'm not going to finish everything. I'm going to do some and leave some for you to try on your own. You can drop the answer at the comment section. So let's see your answer and we'll check if it's correct. We are good to go. But I'm not going to finish everything. I'm going to do some. I'm going to leave some for you to try and work on. That is how we learn. Now, for this A complement, I think I should leave it. Since we have done C complement, I believe we understand what C complement is. Element in the universal set that is not in the subset C. Now, A complement, remember, is the same thing. Element in the universal set that is not in set A. What are the numbers? What are the elements here that are not in set A? I believe we will answer that one. Now, let's move on to the next one, which is A intercept B or complement. Now, before we can get A intercept B or complement, this means for A intercept B or complement. First of all, we need to first look for A intercept B. A intercept B. So you see this in the example. First of all, first look for A intercept B. A intercept B. What do you mean by A intercept B? A intercept B means the common element between A and B. Look at A and B. Okay, I believe we have done it before. Good. We have done it before, which is our first one, A intercept B. Now say A intercept B or complement, which is we have done it before, 2 and 4. Now all complement, you are going to use this to compare to the universal set, the same language. The element in the universal set that is not in the A intercept B. Element in the universal set that is not A intercept B. Now what are those elements? So I forgot I've done before, so let me quickly wipe it off. Now we have it to be 2 and 4. Now what are the elements in the universal set that is not here? We have 1. Then we have 3, 5 to 20. These elements, they are not here. These particular elements are not here. So take note of that. That is called, so I'm going to leave A union B. We have done A union B before. A union B or complement. Now look at A union B. A union B, look at it. Now, all complement this what? The element that is here, that is not here. Listen guys, I repeat. The element that is here, that is not what? Here. So take note of that. A union B or complement. Okay. Yeah. I believe the answer we'll get from there will start from 10 to 20. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to 20, these are the answer for that one. So for A, union B or complement. Now let's go to A intersect B intersect C or complement. Now before we're going to do this, first we'll go back, we'll go and work out on A. We'll first work on A intersect B intersect C. So let's look at it. Let's come together now. Element that is common between the three of them. Let's look at it now. Let's look for the common element. We have one here. There's no one here. There's one here. We can't pick one. Because one is not common in both theory sets. Now, we have 2 here, we have 2 here, but there's no 2 here. Can't pick it. There's no 2 here, we have only 2 here. But we have 4 here. We have 4 here. We have 4 here. You can see, so the common element between them is what? 4. Now, talking about the complements, which is this. This is how it goes. This is how it goes. Like I said, A intercept, B intercept, C, all complement. Use this 4 to compare. We have, our answer should be 1, 2, 3, 5 to 20. This is our answer. This is our answer. Now, I'm going to leave this for you to do. I'm going to leave this, I'm going to leave this, I'm going to leave this. Then I will do this, which is A prime or A complement. A prime intercept B prime. Now, A prime intercept B prime. Now we're going to do B prime. Now A prime, which is A complement. Remember, prime is a complement. Okay, I wanted you to do it, but I think we need it. I have to do it myself now. A complement. Is it there? I think we have C complement. Okay, A complement. We are going to do it. Okay. I think I should change it to okay. We have done C complement, intercept D complement. So first of all, let's go and do B complement. Let's do B complement. B complement. Look at the element that is here. That's in our set B. We have 1. We have 2 here, we have 3, we have 4, 5, 6, 10 to 20. Then now, our A complement. Okay, I wanted to leave it for, but it's like we really need it. Okay, our A complement is now. Okay, for those of you that have done it, you can pause the video and try, so that maybe if you got it, you check it out. Maybe so maybe pause the video right now and try it on your own. But let's continue. Pause the video, then we'll come back to it. You can come back to it and try to check it. Okay, now A complement. Look at the element A. Now we have 7 to 7, 8, 9 to 20 as our A complement. Now we have A intercept B complement. So what is common between A and intercept B? So the common thing we have there, I think, is 10 to 20. We have 10, 11, 12, because there's 1, 5 and 6. There's no 5 and 6 here. So the common thing we have is A prime intercept B prime, or A complement intercept B complement. So I think with much example, I believe the one you have tried already, I think we are good to go for this one. So see you on my next video on the remaining types of set. I will give them, do a lot of that. I promise you, those of you in SDU, Southern University Ozoro, we are going to do all the exercises in our textbook. I promise you that I'm going to release a video on that. I think my next video will be on what is on our textbook. We're going to treat them before going worldwide to cover a lot area of the set. Thank you for subscribing and liking my video. I believe by now you are still watching my video. I want you to subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. See you on my next video. Try to please click on the reminders in case if I post it, it will boost up, it will show on your phone screen that I've posted a new video. Thank you very much. Thank you for following me.